Government of India's every effort puts farmers' progress one step forward. Government of India, dedicated towards the betterment of farmers, is taking new progressive steps for the development of agriculture, especially for the northeastern states and Andaman Nicobar Islands. The Government of India, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, has taken a visionary decision and started the National Mission on Edible Oils, oil palm. The farmers of northeastern states and Andaman and Nicobar Islands would be more benefited through this scheme. Capital investment will increase, the dependency on import of edible oil will reduce, and more opportunities for employment would be created. For self-sufficiency, with respect to edible oil, the resolution of National Mission on Edible Oils, oil palm, has been taken. Northeast and Andaman Nicobar Islands are the places where palm can easily be cultivated and palm oil can be produced. Under this mission, the government has earmarked the grant of more than 11,000 crore to give a thrust to increase the acreage and production of oil palm. For the cultivation of oil palm, the amount to help plantation has been increased from rupees 12,000 rupees per hectare to 29,000 rupees per hectare. To overcome the shortage of plantation material, the seed-producing gardens would also be helped. Under this initiative, there is a provision to provide rupees 1 crore per 15-hectare oil palm garden and rupees 50 lakh to develop nursery. To rejuvenate 30 years old gardens, one-time grant of rupees 250 per plant would be provided. Under special assistance to Northeast and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, according to their structure, climate and other circumstances, there is provision of indifferent heads as in half-moon terrace rupees 4,000 per hectare, for fencing, biofencing and for land clearance rupees 7,000 per hectare, and for integrated cultivation rupees 10,000 per hectare. During the first 4 years, rupees 50,000 per year would be provided for maintenance and intercropping. To create employment for farmers and to boost industries, there is a provision of grant up to rupees 5 crore for each unit of new palm oil mill having a capacity of 5 metric ton per hour. Also, an alternate arrangement of additional amount in case of increase in capacity. We the farmers have very high hopes from this oil palm mission. We believe that this mission would help us in a lot of ways and our income would increase too. Oil palm farmers also produce fresh fruit bunches, that is FFB, whose prices are based on the fluctuation in international prices. For the first time, central government is giving an assurance to the farmers in context to the prices of fresh fruit bunches. This will be called the viability price or VP, which means no loss for the farmers. These provisions will secure farmers from the market deviations. The fixation of viability price VP will start from 1st of November and go on until 31st October next year. This duration will be called the oil palm year. This will create better cultivation opportunities in northeastern states and Andaman Nicobar Islands, and the farmers will get a new reason to smile.